When you search for how to pronounce double consonants, they will tell you like this. Pronounce single consonants, but stronger and more intensive. That's how to pronounce double consonants. But don't you think that explanation is abstract and obscure? So in this video, I'll make you able to pronounce double consonants in a few minutes. Alright then, let's get started. Korean has these 5 double consonants. 쌍기역, that sounds 그. 쌍디귿, that sounds 드. 쌍비읍, that sounds 뿌. 쌍시옷, that sounds 스. 쌍지읒, that sounds 즈. And you know what? You already know how to pronounce Korean double consonants. You're probably saying, if that's true, why have I clicked this video? I'll prove it right away that you already know how to pronounce double consonants. Let's break down from 쌍기역. To pronounce 쌍기역, the 그 sound, all you have to do is say skate. The 그 sound from skate is almost identical to 그 sound. Skate, skate, ske, ske, ge, 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 ga, ga, gi, gi, go, go, 구, 구, 그, 그. If you want to feel how different the 그 sound is, listen to this. Kate, skate, ke, ske, ke, ge, ke, ge, k, k. You feel the difference, right? Ge, ge, 꿈, 꿈, 꿀, 꿀. To pronounce 쌍디귿, the 드 sound, just say stand. The 드 sound from stand is almost identical to the 드 sound. Stand, stand, ste, ste, te, 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 ta, ta, ti, ti, to, to, tu, tu, t, t. If you want to feel how different the 드 sound is, listen to this. Tend, stand, te, ste, te, 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 t, t. You feel the difference, right? 허리띠, 허리띠, 땀, 땀, 뜰, 뜰. To pronounce 쌍비읍, the 브 sound, just say speak. The 브 sound from speak is almost identical to the 브 sound. Speak, speak, spi, spi, 삐, 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 빠, 빠, 빼, 빼, 뽀, 뽀, 뿌, 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 뿌. If you want to feel how different the 뿌 sound is, listen to this. Pick, speak, 피, spi, 피, 삐, 피, 삐, 프, 뿌. You feel the difference, right? 뼈, 뼈, 빵, 빵, 뿔, 뿔. The reason why it's difficult to pronounce 쌍시옷 is you already know how to pronounce it. Let me explain it simply. Many people teach you like 시옷 has a similar sound to S, but that's not an accurate explanation. In fact, the S sound is almost identical to 쌍시옷 sound. Same, same, not same. Single, single, not single. The accurate 시옷 sound is different from the S sound. Let me show you an example. This word isn't pronounced as Samsung. The accurate pronunciation is this, 삼성. It sounds smoother and weaker, right? So if you want to pronounce 시옷 and 쌍시옷 properly, you have to learn how to pronounce the accurate 시옷 sound. In order to do that, just follow my instructions. First, make an S sound. S, s, s. Second, feel the size of the gap between your tongue and the ceiling of your mouth. S, s, s. You'll feel the size of the gap is quite narrow. Third, try to make that gap wider like this image. Keeping that wider gap, try to pronounce the S sound. That is the accurate 시옷 sound. 세수, not 세수. 선물, not 선물. 소금, not 소금. Something's different, right? To sum up, if you want to pronounce the 쌍시옷 sound, just make the S sound. And just be aware that the 시옷 sound is different from the S sound. To pronounce 쌍지읒, the j sound, just say cat jazz, not cat jazz, cat jazz, cat jazz. The j sound from cat jazz is almost identical to the z sound. Cat jazz, cat jazz, cat j, cat j, 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 자, 자, 지, 지, 쪼, 쪼, 주, 주, 즈, 즈. If you want to feel how different the z sound is, listen to this. Jazz, cat jazz, j, cat j, 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 j. You'll feel the difference, right? 찌다, 찌다, 째다, 째다, 쫓다, 쫓다. Let's sum up today's video. If you want to pronounce the g sound, just say skate. If you want to pronounce the d sound, just say stand. If you want to pronounce the b sound, just say speak. If you want to pronounce the s sound, just make the s sound. If you want to pronounce the j sound, just say cat jazz. Alright, this is what I prepared for you today. If you like this video, please visit my channel. I have more useful Korean learning tips for you on my channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.